good? And welcome back to another episode of the channel about sneakers and vintage. And for today's episode, we have a throwback pickup. One of the colorways that is my all-time grail, like #1 on my list above all else. However, it is kind of sort of that shoe, and you will see as soon as we jump right into this unboxing. But with that being said, make sure if you are tuning in for the first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button, as well as finesse the bell so you don't miss any dope content that I have to drop for you guys. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Helps me out in the YouTube algorithm, pushes my video to new faces, and helps me grow one sub at a time. And with that being said, I can't wait no more. Let's just jump right into this sneaker. And here we have it, the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Chicago. So for those of you that may not know, if you tuned into my channel frequently, or if you follow me on Instagram, or if you know me personally, you know the Air Jordan 1 High Chicago is my all-time grail. The sneaker I put above anything else. I don't think there's a better silhouette and colorway ever created. That's just my personal opinion. I love that shoe. However, that shoe is very, very expensive. From the 1985 pair, the 1994 pair, 2013, it don't matter what year it is, that colorway and the Air Jordan 1 High is super expensive. And that's just not what I'm gonna pay for. Everything that I look at goes from $800 to $1,200. And hey, if you got that, hey, that's on you. But point negative, hey, we don't got that over here at Q Souls. So my sneaker plug hit me up. He said, hey, I got 2 pair of a shoe that you might be interested in. And it was this sneaker right here. And I immediately jumped on that, hit him with an offer. He accepted the offer, and now they are mine. I am so happy that I was able to get this pair. Because if I'm not gonna have my all-time favorite grail, I might as well have something that's just a little version of that. It's literally the low top version. It is the low top version in the OG cut at that, because I hate the new retro Jordan 1 lows. Those are terrible to me. I only like the OG cut ones. So the fact that I can have these Chicagos rather than having the highs, I think I'll even wear the lows even more whenever I do get the highs. But right now, I'm happy, I'm satisfied, and I could not be more thankful to him. So shout out InkKid23 on Instagram. He knows how much I love the Chicago ones. He knows how much I love the Chicago colorway on the Air Jordan 1. So he hit me up, and I really appreciate you. And I thank you for having these a part of my collection now. And with that being said, a lot of people DM me when I show these on Instagram. It was like, bro, please tell me those are customs. There's no way. I'm not sure if you guys didn't know that these released back then. However, that's what I'm here for, to educate all my fellow peoples. These did release back on Valentine's Day. They released Valentine's Day year of 2016, and they were a very limited release. However, the year before that, in 2015, there was 3 OG cut low inspired colorways, which was the Breads, the Shadows, as well as the Royals. If you tune into my channel regularly, then you know I had the Shadows and the Royals already. I never had the Breads, and now I got my hands on the 2016 pair of the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Chicago's. I'm man. I can't, no, I gotta grab them for y'all. I'm sorry. Off camera and all. I gotta. Just look at these. And the midsole is already aging a little bit. White uppers. Oh my God, this is just a beautiful shoe. I know a lot of people don't really like the Air Jordan 1 Lows OG cut or the newer version. But man, I love these. Y'all see my review and my how to style on the neutral gray Jordan 1 lows in that OG cut model. But bruh, these gonna be my go-to. Them neutral grays are supposed to be my go-to, but now I'm throwing these on with everything. I don't care. And they already got that little beat up feel because my plug did wear them back then when he first got them. But sheesh, man, I'm happy. I cannot believe I got this pair. I can't believe I actually have a Chicago Jordan 1 in my collection. But yeah, with that being said, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Please let me know down in the comment section, what is one sneaker that you absolutely above all else are dying to have in your collection? I would like to see what everybody else's head is. I would like to see the different styles and different views that everybody had within this sneaker game. And before I let you guys go, you know the quote, you know the motto to end it all off. Aim high, spread love.